I'm going to show you market update video. We can see market is up, that's fib level, and retest and pullback can be reached the parallel channel upper level. Market can be reached this point, and now next up move this area we can get target. We can see a bull flag. Bull flag we can get target this area and this point. Bull flag target. I was text the target, that is regular chart. Logarithmic chart can be 149 get target. We can see a head and shoulder pattern this area to head and shoulder pattern, and we can get target this area and that point, and breakout point can get 149 target. Next move to the Ethereum chart. Ethereum chart. Ethereum was going up movement. There is a there was a regular bearish divergence, and that is divergence invalidate.